Hi guys, back with another video. Yeah, look at that, our chicken coop's finished. So basically what we've done, we've got these wooden battens. Then we've just got some chicken mesh. Yeah, so our chicken coop. The mesh, the door, the inside. Just ignore that bin. Yeah, okay, get to your tree with the, and we've just put rails around with all the chicken mesh for the chickens. Okay, so now, put that out of the way, we've got a very exciting part. Yes, this here. Do you know what this here is? Yes. I'll leave that door open. It'll be very funny. Oh, it's not. Oh, there we go. What? Did you hear that too? That means the fence is on. Yeah, that's all finished. Yes. Our calves. Hey girls! I've only put a little bit in because I've got plenty of grass compared to what they had down that back paddock. So I'm just feeding them kibbled maize. And yeah. Come on girls. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come on. Look at that. They know. They know that they're getting fed. She might have eaten it on my head, I don't know. But then there's, oh look at that, they're all coming in. Look at that. Yeah, I'll let that one have a bit and then I'll shoo her away. So they don't get pushy. There you go. Look. Look, 71, she's really friendly. Look, see? She tries to eat it out of my hand. We should probably do it. Come on. Come here. We'll do it over the bucket. Okay. Don't like straps too much. 14. They're pretty friendly. Like they're a nuisance. They're a nuisance. They're like little kids. I just shove it. Oh. So you have had enough. So you can go. And the rest, they're all pretty much just pure bred. Now listen to that mud bite grooving up. It's pretty much all just jerseys. They all look like good jerseys. Look, 27's just hoeing into it. Look at that. Pretty much all gone. Look at her. Look at her. She's probably one of the fatter ones. But we'll get a good shot from behind. Then we can, so like from behind. Yeah, see? She knows. The ones that know, get a good shot from behind. There you go. Look at that. Look how fat they are. Like, look at that. That's what kibbled maize does to them. That's what kibbled maize does to them. Oh, they weren't meant to do that. Oh, there's a little bit on the ground. Look, see that fat girl? Yeah. Why I take away the kibbled maize? I still have a bit left. It's pretty slimy. But look at that. They're all really fat. Probably. Hey! Like a bitch, she'll eat it out of the bucket, out of my hand. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, she's not that fast in kibble mates. But like they're really friendly, like 15. You want it, Gil? You want it? I'll keep this PC 27 away. I mowed the lawns earlier. Yeah, so I just take all the grass clippings to them. Look, 27, hey. She's just seen that, she just put her back legs like right up in the air. They're clever. Wherever the clover is, they strip it there. But like in other places, look at that, that's super thick. Like that, nice long, lush, thick grass. Guess I'm just anyway. And then like nice long luscious grass. Then over here, like where the clover was, where the clover is, I can find some. And I think there's a bit over here, wasn't there? Oh, I can't remember. But like, look at that. Like areas, like, look how thick it is. Then another bit, like it, just see that's clover. That's clover leaf. Look at that. There. That's not very good quality. But like 27 is, she's pushed 71 out of the way, right? And then she's back into the kibbled maze. And sorry about the camera wobbling. But anyway, it's actually about 8:30 at night. Because it's the middle of the summer, so yeah, this is really only the best time that you can come out without it being that hot. And yeah, we actually got some rain today, not much. While I'm here, I'll just check the... Yep, heard that. I'll do on here is I'll just get my grass out. Like it on there. And yeah, I'll get that bucket back while I'm here. Yeah, like normally I'll give them a bit more than what I gave them. But when they haven't got much grass, when it's only like that, it's like that. Because when we had the bobcat here and the truck, it's just been... So yeah, there's a bit that they leave in it. But look, some of it's sticking. Clean. If they want it, they can... I didn't see that fence. If they want it, so just free. Look at that. There you go. Hey. They're friendly. They're friendly little girls. I'm 71. There you go. Ooh. Sometimes she'll lick my hand. See? Oh no, she sniffed it. But like... No, I need to be careful because that fence is on. Yeah, look at that. Got nothing for you, girl. Wasn't it nice here? Just get that a little bit out. I spook a little. Because I've got red band gumboots on and they're rubber. Hopefully it focuses. Yeah. Yeah, I can just easily step on the fence without getting a shock. But like bare feet, oh, that's going to give you a big shock. Yeah, I just put this back in. Yeah, it's pretty dark in here now. Oh, we should put that corner there, flip it over so no rain goes in it. Back out to the light. Then close that door. We haven't put the latch on it yet. Yeah, but it's a pretty cool chicken coop. Yeah, look at that. All it takes is for one calf one calf only. Find that little bit of tiled maize. Yeah, it's not focusing. That's terrible quality. That might be better. Yeah, but like all it takes is for like one calf only to find it. Other camera down here. But just like pretty good job with the fence, didn't he? That's a pretty straight fence if you ask me. I was thought it was only going to be a 5-minute video, but it's actually double that, 10 minutes. So I hope you like and, well, not like, but subscribe. And bye.